Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of healthy eating, but with a twist. We're not just talking about healthy recipes, though we'll get to those. We're exploring different healthy eating styles. That's right, there's more than one way to eat healthy, and finding the right approach for you can make all the difference. So, whether you're a veggie lover or a hardcore carnivore, with a soft spot for vegetables, of course, there's a healthy eating style out there waiting to be discovered. Finding your fit. Think of healthy eating styles like different colored peppers. They all add flavor and vibrancy to your plate, but each has its own unique taste. So let's explore some popular styles. First, we have the Mediterranean diet, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. It allows for moderate amounts of fish and poultry and restricts the intake of red meat, eggs, and dairy. This diet, much like the lustrous emerald, hails from the Mediterranean region. Next is the DASH diet, designed to help lower blood pressure. It emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products while limiting red meat, saturated and trans fats, sodium, sugar, and sweetened beverages. Much like the strong and resilient diamond, this diet is designed to fortify your health. The flexitarian diet, much like the versatile sapphire, is flexible and adaptable. It's mostly plant-based, but occasionally includes meat, poultry, or fish. This is a great option for those who want to dip their toes into vegetarianism without a full commitment. The pescatarian diet, akin to the seafaring pearl, includes fish and seafood, but not meat or poultry. This diet offers a balance between seafood's health benefits and a variety of plant-based foods. The vegetarian diet, like the pure quartz, excludes meat, poultry, and fish. It may include eggs and dairy products, with different types including lacto-ovo-vegetarian, lacto-vegetarian, and ovo-vegetarian. Finally, we have the vegan diet, the diamond of plant-based eating styles. It excludes all animal products, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Vegans get their protein from plant-based sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Remember, these are just a starting point. The best healthy eating style is the one that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. So, what healthy eating style piqued your interest? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and delicious recipes.